IGL Ecocoat Premier is an easy-to-use, spray-on, water-based silica paint coating that can be used on any smooth surface to create a super high-gloss shine while leaving behind a super hydrophobic surface that makes water beat up like crazy. Traditional ceramic paint coatings are time-consuming and tedious to apply. Not so with Premier. Simply use the two-towel method. Dampen the first towel with Premier and then mist a little product onto a panel and spread out evenly. With the second towel, buff to a super high-gloss shine. It's that easy. All the benefits of a ceramic coating in minutes, not hours. With Premier, you get a wet, glassy look to your car's paint that outlasts and outprotects conventional waxes and sealants. The hydrophobic surface creates a self-cleaning effect that makes washing and drying faster and easier. The resulting slick finish resists scratching and marring to keep your car looking better longer. With Ecocoat Premier from IGL, you get incredible shine and long-lasting protection from a simple spray-on product. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.